my name is Jacob Barenbroek, and I'm the director here at Gum Springs Community Center. And today we're going to work on some basic soccer footwork and dribbling skills. This is great. It'll get you outside, it'll get you exercising, and you'll see here today we have cones. But you can do this anywhere in any little spot of open grass. You can use socks, you can use an old t-shirt, anything as a marker to dribble around. Also, my coworker Israel is going to help us out.
Hi everyone, like Mr. Jacob said, my name is Israel. I'm the assistant director here at Gum Springs Community Center, and I'm excited to be working on some basic soccer skills. Let's go, Jake.
So the first thing we want to do before we start any exercise is warm up. So I'm going to have Israel demonstrate a very simple dribble warm up. The best thing about dribbling and warming up while dribbling is you just dribble to warm up. So Israel's going to go into our grid here in the cones, and he's just going to dribble around a little bit and warm up. All it is getting on your toes and being confident with the ball. It's not about being fancy, just getting those footwork in. And if you mess up, it's okay, because we're practicing. So the best part about it is, if you mess up, grab the ball, start back over again, and remember, slow is everything. You want to get it right, you want to work on your footwork, we can work on speed later. So the first thing we want to do to work on our dribbling is really work on using our instep. So that's the inside of the foot, where your arch is. So I'm going to have Israel demonstrate how we do that. So nice and slow, no need to rush, no need to do anything super fast. You just want to work on keeping a nice steady touch and keeping a nice good rhythm with the ball hitting off each of your insteps. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add to that move, we want to add our soles. So what's the sole? It's the bottom of your foot, where your cleats would be on a soccer shoe. So the bottom here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do what Israel's doing. Touch, 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 touch. And then we're going to add the sole. So stop it. Touch, 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 stop. Touch, 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 stop. So for some people who might have a hard time with this at first, another great way to practice is just by stepping on the ball. Getting used to having the ball on the bottom of your feet. You can roll it around, you can move it, just getting used to it being there. And as you get good with this, then you can bounce, right? And you can keep the ball in place. Try to keep it as still as possible. And the more you get used to it, the more confident you get.
Now we're going to use our outsoles to improve our dribbling skills. What it is we're going to use this part of the foot right here, and we're going to use it to turn in small places. Mr. Jacob will demonstrate.
So in order to get comfortable using the outsole of our foot, what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple drill. You're going to stand with the ball all the way on your right hand side. And all we're going to do is use the outside of your foot. We're going to go touch, 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 then use the sole and stop it, right? Then we're going to pull it back, let it go, touch, 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 and then stop. I'm going to do it one more time. We'll touch, 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 stop, touch, 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 stop. So now we've worked on all different parts of the foot, the insole, the sole, and the outsole. Now we're going to do some small cone drills with the ball to put those all together. So the outsole, again, we said was really good for tight turns. So and I'll demonstrate what we mean by that. So we can dribble with our outsole like this, and then we can turn really tight. So we can make really, really tight turns with the ball. So it's also good if you're going a speed dribble and you want to stop, you can stop. So it's important not just to use your dominant foot. A lot of us, Israel and I included, can get stuck using our right foot because we're both right-footed. So make sure you practice with your left too. So now Israel's going to demonstrate using his insole as he dribbles through the cones.
Thank you, Mr. Jacob. The use of your insole is a really good way to maintain control of the soccer ball.
so much for joining this week on our basic dribble skill demonstration. We look forward to seeing you next week as we explore trapping.
Once again, thank you everyone. My name is Mr. Israel. I'm looking forward to see you next week. Bye.